Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So now I'm going to show you how to set up the BNB Miner script to do the hyper compounding for you. So first I'm going to need to get a VPS. Well, if you plan to leave your computer on 24/7, you don't need a VPS. But if you're planning to turn off your computer, then I recommend you get a VPS. And there'll be a link in the description to the VPS that I use. It's called FX VPS. Or if you have one already, you can use that as well. So first, I need to just set up MetaMask on Google Chrome. If it's already set up, then you can skip this step. But if it's not, I need to set up MetaMask. So I'll put in MetaMask add-on, Chrome add-on. All right, so I click MetaMask and I'm gonna go ahead and click looks like my thing is in French here on this particular VPS, but I just clicked that blue button. Okay, close that, and then I'm gonna click the puzzle piece here. Okay, never mind. I'll click get started. Import wallet because I already have one. I agree. All right, so let me go ahead and put in my secret phrase. Give me 1 second. All right, congrats. I've imported my wallet. All done. All right. So let me go ahead and close that. And now I need to add the network for BSC because BSC is what we're going to be using. So let me go ahead and do that. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click add network. Network name, we're gonna call it Smart Chain. Paste in the URL, ChainID 56, BNB is the symbol, and Block Explorer URL. So I'll put this in the description as well so you have it. But like I said, if you already have MetaMask in your Chrome extension, you can skip this step. All right, so it says I have 0.28 BNB in my wallet. And it's account 1, it's my wallet name. All right, so let me go ahead and connect this to the miner. In case you haven't joined already, my link is in the description. Actually, before I do that, let me click on the puzzle piece here at the top right corner, and I'm gonna click pin to pin MetaMask so it's up here, okay? All right, so I'm gonna put in the link for the miner, and it's in the description if you don't have it. Okay, so when I'm here, I'm gonna click on connect wallet and MetaMask, and once this opens up, I'm just gonna click next and connect. If you're looking to deposit and you haven't deposited already, so all you need to do is here you can, let me see how much BNB I got in here. So I'll just do 0.27. So 0.27 BNB, and I'm gonna click on higher. Okay, MetaMask pops open, and this is how you deposit your BNB into the miner to hire miners to work for you. Okay, so this is done. Confirm transaction. Perfect. And you see that my TVL value has gone up. And if you saw my video yesterday, the review video, your TVL is what you're earning 3% off of. All right, so that's how that works. And my barrel is full right now, but what I'm gonna do is, okay, so it looks like it filled up. It's compounded what was in my barrel into my TVL volume. So all right, so let me go ahead and set up the script. All right, so I've got the script copied. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste it into my desktop here. All right, so that's done. I'm gonna go ahead and extract this. So I click on right click. So I right click it and I click extract all. And I want it on the desktop. So I'm gonna just backspace until I get here, and I'm gonna click extract. Perfect, so I've got it now on my desktop. I can go ahead and just delete this, I don't need it. So let me go ahead and open this up here. And what I'm gonna do first is install Java. So let me just double click here to install Java. And I see Java is opened up here. So let me go ahead and walk through here. to install it. All right, so Java is installing now. All right, so it looks like Java is done installing, so let me close that. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is open the project.properties file. I'm just gonna right click on it and I'm gonna click on open with. So I'm gonna say use notepad. All right, so once this opens up with notepad, I'm gonna need to put in my MetaMask address. So I'll just open MetaMask here and I'm gonna click here to copy my MetaMask address and I'm gonna plug it right here. And then I'm gonna put in my MetaMask password. So let me go ahead and do that. This is by default, this is checking every, I'll make it 3600 by default. So that's every hour it's gonna check. If you want it lower, you could do like 1800, which is 30 minutes. But I think 3600 is good for me for now. So let me just do that. And I'm gonna add my password, then I'm gonna save this notepad file. I'm gonna click on close. It's gonna ask me, do you want to save? And I'm gonna go ahead and save it. Okay. So let me do that real quick here. Okay, I'm gonna click on save. Perfect. So now I'm just gonna close the Google Chrome browser. And then all I'm gonna do now is double click on run. So make sure Chrome browser is closed, then just double click on run. Okay. So now let's just watch the script work. So logged into MetaMask. All right, compounded successfully. Waiting 3600 seconds for the next check. So it's successfully done. So if I open up Google Chrome here and go back over to the miner, I should be able to see that it has compounded. Let me click connect wallet first, connect my wallet just to check it out. All right, perfect. See, yeah, successfully compounded. Look at that, man. So that's pretty much it. That's how that's how the mining script works. So it'll just check it. I've set it to every hour, so check every hour to automatically do the compounding for you. You don't have to do anything else. It'll just check it every hour or whatever amount that you specify. I'll just leave it at an hour for myself for now until my account grows. When it grows larger, maybe once it gets to like maybe 20 BNB, then I'll probably change it to every half an hour, which is 1800 seconds. Okay, so that's how you pretty much set up the miner script. If you need help installing this, reach out to me on Telegram and I'll get my virtual assistant to help you install it for a small fee. But it's pretty much straightforward though. All you need is, I recommend getting a VPS if you don't have one, so that you can still power off your computer and have the mining script still work, right? Because if you don't have a VPS, then you have to leave your computer on running 24/7 in order for this script to work. Okay, so I recommend getting a VPS. Again, the link to purchase a VPS is in the description. And if you need help with that as well in terms of instructions, my virtual assistant can help you as well with that. Just message me on Telegram. Okay, all right, so that's pretty much it, guys. For the script, message me on Telegram and I'll provide it to you. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Have a great day. Bye-bye.